Hey,
Yo.
good workout today, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Monday craziness. You're sweating all over the place.
I don't know why. You'd have thought I went bar hopping over the weekend as much as I'm sweating, but I did not. I just did yard work.
I think it's just the old age kicking into gear.
The old age.
All right, tell everybody what we were just talking about.
We've had this conversation a couple times in the most recent weeks, and we always say we got to talk about this. So we're going to talk about confrontation and being confronted. So when we are talking to our girls, you have to remember there's basically two parts of their lives. There's the lives as athletes on the track, on the mat, and then there's lives as just, human beings, social, like just being in the social setting. So oftentimes, we are heavy on the athlete. When we're confronted with a very hard, stressful situation, we rise up. We rise up, we don't back down. So what happens is a lot of times that translates into social cues where they don't back down. And if something is wrong, they're going to tell you. And we're okay with that. I can't tell you how many times in our past that we've been labeled the bad guy because we confront the confronter. So what happens is, and you've dealt with these people that feel they can go around and confront, give you their 2 cents, insert themselves in things that they don't even belong. Normally, humans would just walk away. Like, okay, you said your piece, I'm walking away, I'm the bigger person. Well, you can call it what you want. We're not the bigger people. We don't. So when we're confronted, we're gonna confront you back. We're gonna engage. We're gonna ask you questions. Like, why are you doing that? Where do you feel that you have the right to speak to me that way? And what happens 100% of the time is we get made the bad guy. We're the bad guy. We're the instigator. We're the fighters. We're the what the fuck ever. But here's the thing: that person or persons have been allowed to go around and spew their piece over and over and over. God bless freedom of speech. They have that right. But they've never been called out on that bullshit. And that, I think, we need to start doing that more. Like, you're not allowed to just come at me and I'm gonna take it sitting down. I'm gonna confront you back. I'm gonna ask you questions. I'm gonna make you answer for what you just said to me. I'm gonna make you respond. And people hate that. They hate it. And like I said, it's always made us the bad guy, the aggressors, the people that want to fight, where frankly, it's just us not fucking backing down. That's it. That's all it is. And if you don't want to be confronted back, then don't fucking confront us. That's the bottom line. There you go. Your advice for the day. You're welcome.